Hi, and welcome to the world according to Larry. Today's video, I'm going to install the upgraded pedals on my 2018 Camaro SS. And it's going to be a 2-for-1. So at the same time, I'm going to install the Vitesse Throttle controller. And I will walk you through that. Let's go. For this install is a 10mm socket. That's it. The small pedals are pedal specific. The one with the wing on it is for the brake. Okay, got the top in, fold that bottom over. There we go. All right. Here we go. One down. There we go. All right. Next is a rubber stopper here. Pull it out. It is directional. It's shaped like a baseball diamond. And when you go to put it back, the diamond points up like that. Push the safety clip up and disconnect the pedal. Really easy. All right. Now to install or connect this. And I'm going to pull the fabric out. Okay, so I'm going to plug this in here. Safety cap back down. Alright, pretty simple. Try to hide as much of this behind the fabric. Okay. There's a rubber stopper. I'm going to place that. Here. Tuck this up. In there. Pull the steering wheel out and up. So, and put it right here. Pull the rest of the wires back through. And tuck the excess under here as well. back to where you normally have it. And for me, it lines up right there. You'll be able to read it when it's on. So to calibrate it, so press. Okay, now it says set. Alright, when it says a blah, push the gas pedal to the bottom and then press the knob. Okay, there's 100. You can release the pedal. Turn it off, and you are done. That simple. And you can see it looking down. When I'm driving, I can see it. And I've been driving with mine set to 7. I tend to like to overdo things. I will tell you that, no, 6 actually, not 7. This is a manual transmission, and what this does is it spools up the throttle for earlier, and particularly taking off out of first gear, particularly on a hill with this manual transmission, I found on 7 or higher, what would happen is you would feel like a novice driver, because as you're letting out the clutch, it's giving it more gas than you are actually wanting it to, and you wind up getting into that bucking kind of routine. Even on 6, sometimes it can be a challenge. I've grown used to it. I've grown so used to it that I've grown used to it. And do I appreciate it anymore? I took the car in for an oil change, and apparently one of the technicians didn't appreciate it, and he turned it down to 0. I didn't know. And maybe he had to turn it down to 0 because he couldn't control the car. And I'm driving, and I'm like, why is this car so sluggish? And I looked down, and they had turned it down to 0. I turned it back up to 6, and everything was good to go. So, it does make a difference. It is easy install. You don't have to. The hardest part of what I just did was getting on the clutch pedal. Trying to fit that on, like trying to put on pants that were way too small for you. Anyways, this was today's video, and I hope it helps. I hope it's informational, and please like, subscribe, comment, share. I appreciate it. Thanks. You've been experiencing The World According to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is my world. If you enjoyed today's video, like it, give it a thumbs up, share it. I'd love to hear your comments, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Until next time, I'm in my world.